COVID-19 Northeast Indians in Mumbai. Watch till the end. I'm Leo Thermi Raikhan from Manipur, staying in Mumbai from last 18 to 20 years, working as social activist, also BJP Christian minority as President Pramukh for North Central Mumbai. Appeal to Maharashtra government through media, press and journalists were heard and showed us love, providing provision packages to more than 1,500 households in Maharashtra to a population of approximately 10,000 people. Here are organizations, NGOs, foundations, Government of Maharashtra and many individuals who helped Northeast Indians in Mumbai. On 31st March and 1st April, ONGC and Khar police distributed 200 kits to Northeast migrant workers in Khar area. On 2nd and 7th April, Madhu Mehta Foundation distributed 200 packages to Northeast people in Kalina area. On 2nd April, Praja Foundation distributed 150 provision package to all Northeast people in Kalina area. On 5th April, Mrs. Sanju Rao distributed 87 veg packages to Northeast people in Kalina area. On 6th, 7th and 10th April, Ness Wadia Foundation distributed 200 provision packages to Vakola and Juhu area. On 6th April, Shri Aditya Thackeray, Minister of Tourism and Environment, Maharashtra associate with Sunflower Welfare Foundation, distributed 100 packages in Kalina area. On 7th, 8th April, 100 provision packages distributed in Juhu and Andheri area by Pinky Jain Associate with Sunflower Welfare Foundation. On 8th April, 30 packages distributed in Vashi area by Vashi Police and individual donors. On 9th April, 61 packages distributed by Anybody Can Help Associate with Sunflower Welfare Foundation in Mira Road area. On 11th April, 250 packages distributed in Kalina area and Mira Road by Pratham Foundation with the help of BMC. On 12th April, 200 packages distributed in Vashi, Belapur and Navi Mumbai by Anybody Can Help in association with Sunflower Welfare Foundation. On 13th April, 150 packages distributed to Khar area by Anybody Can Help in association with Sunflower Welfare Foundation. Thank you to all above Maharashtra government, organizations, NGOs, foundations, welfares and every individual who donated and showed us love and care. Once again, thank you very much to all Tangkhul Welfare Society, Mumbai, TWSM, executives who put everything in place and sacrificed manpower during these difficult times. Thank you Maharashtra government, Joint CP Shri Vinay Chaube, DCP Shri Ganesh Shinde, DCP Shri Manjunath Singhe, DCP Shri Pankaj Dahane, DCP Shri Abhishek Trimukhi, and all the senior inspectors and department. Thank you to all individuals, ex-MLA Shri Krishna Hagre. Many individuals requested not to mention their name in public to help our Northeast people in this situation. Thank you to all media, press and journalists, which through your best and genuine article, we are here getting lots of support and love from mainland Maharashtra. Our prayers continue for every citizen of India to continue helping each other as one Indians. Love and regards, Leo Thermi Raikhan, Northeast Representative, Mumbai. Stay home and stay safe. Continue loving and caring each other.
Thank you for donating us, ma'am. Would you like to say
You're
something
most
to our...
welcome. We just connect whatever the people in trouble. You just connect to us. We like
Alright.
to help everyone because what I found about Northeast,
Right.
you're not comfortable that much with the local people. So we know you very well. I'm working for Northeast people since 20 years. So that's the reason this time I found these people, I don't know, they are so scared about the local. Right, they are not friendly that much with the local people and everything is closed. So I was just got thought what they will eat, how they will survive.
Right,
that's all.
right. Right now in this very time when everybody else is calling us coronavirus or whatever, they're trying to put masks. When they see us, they're helping us. We're really grateful to you once again.
Thank you so much.